Welcome to AI ConvoCast, where we bring you the latest in AI and tech innovation. Quick housekeeping. Check out the affiliate links in our description. Using them supports the show, and please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Let's jump right in.
Today we will be discussing 4 exciting developments: the launch of GPT 5.5 by OpenAI, Google's unveiling of the Gemini Enterprise Agent Platform alongside new TPU chips, Microsoft's release of Copilot's agentic editing capabilities across key Office applications, and OpenAI's introduction of Workspace agents in ChatGPT for business teams. Kicking things off, OpenAI has launched its latest model, GPT 5.5, on April 23, 2026. Described by OpenAI as their smartest and most intuitive model yet, GPT 5.5 aims to enhance coding, research, analysis, and document work. Notably, it matches the previous version, GPT 5.4, in per-token latency, but boasts improvements in capabilities and token usage efficiency. This new model is rolling out initially in ChatGPT and Codex for Plus, Pro, Business, and Enterprise users, with the Pro version limited to higher-tier users at launch. A key highlight of GPT 5.5 is its performance in various benchmarks, such as Terminal Bench 2.0, where it scored 82.7%, a notable leap from the 75.1% achieved by GPT 5.4. OpenAI co-founder Greg Brockman referred to it as a new class of intelligence, illustrating the leap forward GPT 5.5 represents. As always, technological advancements come with discussions on economic aspects, with some users expressing concerns over higher API pricing and subscription limits, even as enthusiasm over its capabilities grows. Moving on to Google, they have made a significant move in the AI space with the introduction of the Gemini Enterprise Agent Platform, announced during Google Cloud Next on April 22, 2026. This new platform expands on Google's existing Vertex AI and offers a comprehensive framework for developing, deploying, and managing AI agents. Alongside this, Google also unveiled new TPU chips, the TPU-8T for training and TPU-8i for inference, which indicate a strategic shift towards more specialized hardware suitable for AI agents. This move is aimed at transforming enterprises into more agentic operations, with the platform supporting over 200 models, including the latest from Google's own lineup and third-party models. The introduction of these 8th-generation TPUs and the focus on enterprise-ready AI capabilities highlight Google's intent to become a dominant player in the enterprise AI market, providing integrated solutions that promise to resonate well with corporate leadership. On the Microsoft front, the company has made a major announcement regarding its Copilot tool, which is now generally available with agentic editing capabilities in Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Announced on April 22, 2026, these new capabilities allow Copilot to perform more actions directly within documents and spreadsheets, making it a more proactive tool rather than just a suggestion engine. This agentic shift has already shown to increase engagement across the Office suite and improve user satisfaction, especially in Excel, where usage has shot up by 67%. Microsoft highlights this transition as a means of making Copilot a true collaborator, capable of formatting, restructuring, and transforming data, which is expected to significantly boost productivity in large organizations. The rollout of these capabilities underscores Microsoft's strategy to integrate advanced AI more deeply into everyday productivity tools, making them indispensable to users. Finally, OpenAI has further ventured into enterprise solutions with the launch of Workspace agents in ChatGPT on April 22, 2026. Designed for business, enterprise, and educational plans, these agents are powered by Codex and can execute repeatable workflows across various connected tools like Slack, Google Drive, and SharePoint. Users can build these agents from templates or create them from scratch, further integrating them into their business processes. Admins have access to robust governance controls, analytics, and the ability to manage version histories, ensuring compliance and efficiency. This rollout marks OpenAI's push towards positioning ChatGPT not just as a chat tool, but as a comprehensive automation platform tailored for enterprise needs. While the reception has been mixed, with some prosumer users frustrated at the lack of availability for lower tiers, the potential for transforming enterprise operations is clear. These developments highlight the exciting strides being made in AI technology, pushing the boundaries of what these systems can achieve, and how they can be integrated into both enterprise and productivity platforms. The landscape of AI continues to evolve, promising dynamic shifts in how businesses and individuals incorporate these advanced technologies into their daily operations.
Thank you for listening to AI Convo Cast. Please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Thanks and hope to see you again next time.